Okay, today we are tackling a leaky tub faucet. This is normally an indicator that the cartridge that is located inside here is bad. So we're going to handle with this little Allen key. First of all, we might want to push the stopper down in case the nut comes out from there. Okay, and then located here, we have got the cartridge. So we are going to take this, unscrew this, and Pfister has actually got a lifetime warranty, so they sent me a cartridge for free. Okay, we're going to undo these 4 screws and take the cartridge out. Okay, so before we did this, we turned off the water main to the house, and we opened up a couple of faucets and the bathroom sink to let any extra water that was in the lines come out, because we don't want this to drip back down behind the tub. And I have put a rag here to catch any water that might drip out, and just in case I drop these screws, I didn't want them to drop back in the wall. So I've got that mounting plate off. And now I'm gonna turn the camera off, and we're gonna pull this cartridge out. And we're gonna pull this cartridge out. This normally just fails when the seals are not seated correctly or there's hard water deposits. And when you pull it out, you want to make sure that the 2 rubber rings are on the back of the cartridge, which they were not on this. So I actually have to go fishing in here and pull out the other ring. And I'm going to clean that out. Before we put this back in, we want to lubricate it up. It will stop this drying out and also make it easier if we need to slide it out in the future. And you can just get the silicone grease from Home Depot. Okay, let's lubricate it up. I'm going to make sure these black seals line up with the holes in there. Slide it in. Put the mounting plate back on. So the old cartridge has this on it. It doesn't come with the new cartridge, so you will have to take it off and screw it into the new cartridge. I like to put the cartridge part number there, so when I come in the future to pull that off. So the old cartridge has this on it. It doesn't come with the new cartridge, so you will have to take it off and screw it into the new cartridge. Hold on. Okay, when putting on this piece, we want to make sure that the rib is closest to the wall. That's actually what's going to keep the backing plate in position. I had it the other way first, and the backing plate just flailed around. Now your backing plate is nice and tight and secure, and we can put the handle. You should be able to slide on the lever. And we just need to get our Allen key, which I can't find, and put this nut back in the bottom to secure the handle in place, and the job is done. We'll check it out. So we're going to test the water. No leaks, no crazy things here. We'll see if it stops dripping. And it stopped dripping. So we have completed that. Now all I have to do is clean the footprints out of the tub, and we are all set. Okay, so before I called Pfister and they said they'd send me a replacement, I'd actually picked up the cartridge from Home Depot, and it was $25. So it's not a huge expense to, you're probably wasting that in water every month, dripping down the drain. However, if you are the original owner of the faucet, then Pfister will send you a replacement cartridge for free. If you're interested in more DIY videos, like and subscribe. And if you're interested in buying or selling real estate in Phoenix's East Valley, call or text 480-773-3178.